Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the K98 Pro. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys what comes in the box. So we're just going to take this off here. And you can see it comes with the user manual and then comes with the keyboard itself. Man, this is really dense. And then it's going to come with the cable back here. Okay, so first impressions, just getting a nice look at this keyboard is it is really solid. So let's do a quick sound test. Oh yeah, that is feeling really smooth. And just to give you a close-up look at it right here. Oh yeah, and that is sounding pretty neat as well. So this is the front. Take a look at the back here. Okay, so we have the switch, the on-off switch, USB Type-C port right here. And then it has these that you could flip. And also, oh, I just realized there's like secondary ones. So I had like, you could do like levels. So this is level 1, and then you could like extend it to like level 2 if you want it at more of an incline, which is pretty neat. I haven't seen that feature in a lot of keyboards. So let's turn this on here and let's see if there's any power. Okay, so let's take a look at this here. You can see the LED light in the back. I'm just gonna turn this light off here so you can see the light a little bit better. And oh my goodness, this is a beautiful looking keyboard. So I'm just gonna take a quick look at the user manual just to see how I could adjust the light settings. Okay, so I found out you could actually adjust the lighting with just going over to the color and effect section. So you could just go to the effect, and then this is effect number 9 that we're seeing. We're just gonna cycle through some. Ooh. You see that the light stays wherever you type. So you just turn this dial and go through all the effects just to look through them. And you can see that cool effect. And I'm just gonna be cycling through them relatively quickly just to give you guys an idea. Just the one right there. Oh, we actually have it on off. Okay, so this was game mode, you know, and then you could just use your primary keys for walking, as you see, and then you have off. This is effect number 1. Effect number 2. And effect number 3. So you kind of just like fading through the colors there. Effect number 4. Personally, I really like the splash effect. So effect number 4 is probably what I'm gonna be going with here. Just gonna show you guys some other ones real quick before I commit to that one. There we go. This one just going through all the different colors. Effect number 6. Ooh, this is an even cooler splash effect. And then you could just kind of see like, okay, I take it back. Effect number 6 is probably what I'm gonna go with. And we have 7 here, going through all of them. Number 8, just have it going through each key. So yeah, what did I say, 6? Yeah, okay. And then once you select your color, you could just click here, and then it goes back. And you could go through the colors, the config area, configuration area, and you could adjust the brightness, the speed, really customizable. You could adjust the volume here, the language. Let's see. Okay, and then this is your main screen. You have the date, the time, the battery percentage, and you could connect here. So if I click on connect, I could go connect via Bluetooth. Yeah, if you're looking for the receiver, you just press right here and you open this up. So it's just hidden there through a magnet, which is pretty cool. So you put this in the USB port of your computer, and then you could connect via wireless connection there if you don't have a Bluetooth for your computer. So yeah, it has a USB receiver there, which is a pretty neat way of hiding it. It's just connected here through a magnet, and it just stays there like that. So that is a really unique and cool feature. So yeah, I pretty much like everything about this keyboard so far. So let's connect this to my iPad, and just gonna be doing a little bit of a type test. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect via Bluetooth. So under the connect page, I'm just going to click on Bluetooth 1. So you can link 3 different devices, and then I'm going over to my iPad and clicking on the keyboard and pairing it. I don't want to show any sensitive information, which is why I'm doing that part off screen, but at this point I am connected, and it was just that easy. Okay, so I'm currently connected to my iPad. Just gonna be doing a little bit of a type test here, so just gonna give you guys demonstration and let you guys hear what it sounds like. All right, well, there you go. So that was a little bit of a typing demonstration. Like I said, overall, this keyboard is really awesome, and I can't wait to just add this to my setup. Loving the way that the lighting effect looks. Check that out, and it just fades out like that. Really easy and simple to start up and use. You could just use this dial to adjust whatever you need, and you could just have the time right there on your keyboard. But yeah, in full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in exchange for this video.